Hey guys, I have something special. You wanna see? I have tinsel cut. I got this from the place, but I have something special. I have animal card, the name, and this one is the green one is strong cut. Where is miracle cut? Miracle cut is it? I think so. So you want to see inside? See nothing. Only the tinsel cut and nothing. I don't know what is this. Go read. See? Oh, nothing. Nothing. Because I put this card over here, I'm gonna tell you something. So you just close your eyes first. Promise, close your eyes. Okay? But I don't know what to stop. So you just put aside over here first. So you wanna see the animal? The bed insects. You see? The purple color. So you're gonna look behind. Can you read this?
Mm-hmm. Uh-huh.
Okay, now. Actually, it's white, but now will become, see, purple, that one. So, okay. So this one gonna put from left to right. Over here, so left, right. Wanna see how I put it? I just do like this and just slide it over here. This is the red one. You see. This is the like crystal blue that is 3600. You know? Alien XP. Alien XP. This is red crystal too. So I got 2 red crystal, 1 blue crystal. No, you guys will have. But I don't know where I buy. My mother buy for me. But I forget where's the place. I buy a times old. Baba did. Okay, now this is the new animal. It's tiger, but it's a nothing.
Good.